Hey buddy! If you want these quirky info videos to pop up in your eyes like a circus show, then subscribe to our channel and give that bell icon a solid whack.
I came to know 3 months ago that I have AIDS disease. I am taking medicines. I am fine outwardly. How to know if AIDS disease is reducing with medicines or not?
After starting medicines for AIDS disease, get HIV viral load test done every 3 months or 6 months, then within a year the disease germs will become undetectable in blood tests. If viral load is undetectable, it means medicines are working well, disease is fully under control. Through HIV viral load test, the status of the disease can be understood. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, infection leads to AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome, and with modern treatments it has become a chronic manageable condition but not completely curable. Antiretroviral therapy, medicines suppress virus replication and protect immune system, and since you are on medicines for 3 months, feeling fine outwardly is normal as medicines reduce viral load. Viral load test measures the number of virus copies in blood and is the main way to know if medicines are working. Get test in first month after starting treatment and repeat every 3 to 6 months later. If undetectable viral load, copies per ml less than 50, virus is controlled and transmission risk almost zero, this is U is equal to U, undetectable is equal to untransmittable, principle. Also get CD4 count test which shows immune cells number and above 500 cells is good status. If medicines not taken properly, resistance develops and viral load increases, so take daily on time and register at Arts Center for free medicines. In India, under National AIDS Control Organization, NACO, these tests are free in government hospitals and take guidance from infectious disease specialist. As precautions and tips, never miss medicines and report side effects to doctor. Take healthy diet, nutrition, exercise and reduce stress. Follow safe sex and use condom. Get regular checkups and blood tests. Avoid alcohol, smoking. Take counseling for mental support. Talk openly with family and friends and don't fear stigma. Many HIV positive people live normal life with medicines and lifespan increases, so proceed with hope and consult doctor to discuss your test results. There are myths about HIV in society, but with proper treatment it stays controlled and you can live healthy.